back to the sunset off of Charlotte's porch here. Really nice lighting right now. I won't do this justice, but hey, I like screwing things up. It's part of my gig. Check out Kyle Cease. We'll figure it out. Quite simple. Oh, spying! Spying! People! Bad me. Screwed that up, didn't I? Look at those brakes out there. They're gorgeous. It's a pretty sweet place to live. The rent is right for her. Soon we're off to Portugal. And other places unknown, where I will continue to screw it up. Yeah.
Oh, the sun is right on the waves.
Yeah, sparkling. Can you see the rainbow?
Yeah.
Direct, dead center front.
I told you that I saw one earlier on the other side.
Yeah.
Because it was raining earlier.
Let's go find the end.
I thought
Beautiful.
It's probably only over there because it's raining over there.